question is from Mara. How do you attune empathically to your client's pain and at the same time maintain a relaxed body/mind state yourself?
I don't know how to attune and keep my body in a different state than my client's affective state is. So my body is going to tense up and contract and feel as I loan my limbic system to them. I'm running their experience through my limbic system temporarily to a small degree. So I don't expect my body or my mind or my heart to stay in a relaxed state. And that's the data that's really important for me to be more and more relevant to my clients. But then what I do need to do is I need to release my client's emotion out of my body. And my clients say, how do you do this? Why do you do it? Aren't you exhausted? And I've heard myself say many times over the years, I walk and weep, walking, processing, walking, feeling, discharging, grieving, feeling the pain that I feel I'm holding from yesterday's clients, or sometimes it prevents me from sleeping and I have to go feel my feelings left over from that session.
You mean literally walking?
I mean literally walking and feeling. I walk and weep, literally.
Yeah.
And I walk in the woods usually, so I'm normally by myself. In one way, that's what I appreciated about a commute, is to get ready for my client load of the day and then debrief with myself from the day. I will, in my car on the way home, say things as a human that I needed to say as a human, but wouldn't be therapeutic to say to my clients. And I give myself a chance and I turn on good music and I let my voice, I sing. I'm a terrible singer, but I've learned from polyvagal theory that singing moves us affectively and I get my lungs expanded. And before you know it, I have emotion. I'm laughing, I'm crying, I'm mad. And Let the River Run is one of my favorite songs I put on. And I'll repeat it 8 times because it gets me moving. So then by the time I get home, I'm like, my day, I have closure on feeling my clients' feelings along with them. It's one of the key reasons being an EFT therapist is harder than being a different kind of therapist, as we do process our clients' pain through our own systems, but then we have to practice self-care.
And by self-care, you don't mean pedicures, you mean discharging the emotion.
Both.
We're not ruling it out.
We're not ruling out pedicures, massages, whatever else. But I mean, I have to keep my limbic system available to my clients. Like we've all have fights with our loved ones and then we're supposed to go off and do 8 couple sessions. And sometimes I've gotten in the car and called my husband and said, babe, I can't go do 6 or 8 or whatever the number of sessions is until I feel like we're a little bit more resolved. Just for me to do my day, I feel full of my own angst. I'm not going to be able to take in my clients. So we have to keep a practice of keeping our own limbic system freshened up, bandwidth open, always building more capacity, which means grieving and feeling so that we're not holding old pain.
It's like as the losses and the pain rolls in, and it does all daily, if you're a therapist, we've got to be able to roll it out.
Roll it in, roll it out.
Yeah.
And our bodies hold it. Of course it does. Just like we say to our clients, how can I help my body let it go?
Yeah. For more hot tips on emotionally focused therapy, go to theeftcafe.com and sign up for our newsletter where you will receive short little clips like the one you just watched.